Anyway, we're back. Got another impound call. We actually got two. We got one impound down here. It's called in by a property manager. This area right here has been it's been pretty wild down here the past couple of weeks. It's been wild down here. We're actually downtown. Matter of fact, there's Grady right behind us. And this ain't that bad of an area right here. It's pretty good. It's a nice complex. But it is downtown, so you never know what's gonna happen. I don't know what situation I'm going into. I don't know for sure if this resident's been a problem or anything like that. But either way, they want it towed, and I gotta hook it. So we'll see what happens. I think it's that red Pontiac right over there. Yeah, that's it. Michigan tag. Been sitting there for a minute. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out to my next impound. I got one on Lenox Road. I got something for you. Hold on a second. Here you go. You go home, boy. Yeah, get you something to eat, man. Yeah, God bless you. You have a good one, sir. Yep. Edgewood right now. Yeah. How you doing?
I just wanted to pay for the car I spoke with you this morning.
You must have talked to dispatch. I'm just another driver.
Basically, when I spoke to Johnny this morning,
Yeah.
they just said I could come in and pay for the car.
Okay. Yeah, I think so.
The note shit, so I just wanted to pay for the car, and then he said that once I pay for it, you guys could just sit it outside.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I think you can pay it off. It's the tow fee's $175 to here. The towed in today.
He said it's 100 because so the situation was, and I actually sent him all the information also.
Yeah.
The car wasn't supposed to be towed in the first place. The complex messed up and never took it off the tow list.
Okay.
So
hey, if you get him to call our dispatch, they can verify it, and that's what they'll do. But he'll put it out if that's what What he told you, he's not going to turn it down and say I didn't tell her that. He told you that, he'll honor it.
The other guy, it was like a short guy. He has a full beard.
Okay.
Him and Ashley was who we spoke with. I believe it was Saturday.
Okay.
Either Friday or Saturday morning.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what they, no, it was Saturday. So they said wait till Monday.
Okay.
She sent everything over to Johnny. I called this morning.
Did you talk to him this morning?
Yeah, and they took all the documentation and everything.
Yeah, so that's fine. Well, hey, as soon as he gets done with this transport out, this one here, he got you. He just got to call him. Okay. He was confused when you said Johnny that I had talked to you. It's the other Johnny.
It's the other Johnny.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. But yeah, he'll honor whatever he says. Okay. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. This guy's getting a Maserati back.
Is it drivable?
I'm not sure.
Why is holding in a...
Oh, it's on blocks.
Huh?
Yeah, they got it on blocks. I don't know if it's drivable or not. They can move it. Do you have a key for it? They don't have a key, so they got you over here. What are you driving, a wrecker? What are you driving? Are you driving a car hauler? Oh yeah, that's crazy, man. They sent you over here for a 9 car. Hey, we can't load it for you. You need to call them up and tell them you need a key. I mean, we impound that was, I don't know. You have to check with him in front. If he don't have a key, you'll have to figure it out. Hey, that's an impound, ain't it?
Yeah. No, it's already paid for. The Maserati is paid for and everything is ready.
And he sent somebody over here with no key, right?
There's no key in it.
Well, how's he gonna load it on the transport, man? They got him.
I'm a poor guy.
Yeah.
All the way to Cali, brother.
Anyway, that Maserati got impounded the other day, and somebody called us up and paid it out. It's probably a repo. Almost guaranteed that Maserati's a repo. You know, it's an out-of-state vehicle. So whoever sold that car to the person that wound up getting repoed on, they sent a 9-car hauler to pick it up, but we ain't got a key to move that Maserati to put it on the truck. So that transport guy's gonna have to, he's not gonna be able to tow it or haul it. He's not gonna be able to haul that Maserati without a key. Anyway, that's what happens with them repos. They don't have a key to it. You gotta give us a key. Back on it again. We got another little sports car right here. It's a little 350Z. It's got an Alabama April tag, I believe. Something like that. Anyway, I'm fixing to load it up. We'll see what happens. Routon?
Yeah.
It's going right down here to the left, to the lot.
It's not.
Get this number right here.
All right.
That's the owner of the Routon. He's I guess that's his van, I reckon. Anyway, here's what it is. He'd come over here and get it. It's about, you take a left, it's about a mile down.
Okay, I told her, I called her, she
No, no, hey, off property is I'm already almost to the lot. It's different off property. On site it's 100 on property.
How much is it on site?
It's 175 here. Okay. Hey, well let me let you go. I'm doing a payout. I'm doing a payout. I got flagged down, chased down again. Hey, you don't have to go in technically. Just pull up right here. Hey, if you got a key, you don't have to process it like that. It's not on the gate already, unless you want me to process it.
Yeah, the key.
It just takes.
Oh, the key's at home. It's just that we saw the car.
Well, I can back a little. Listen, as long as I mean, you have any kind of, you got proof of any kind of ownership.
It's all in the car.
That's fine. Hey, listen, tell you what. I can back it over here. Like I said, technically, it ain't gonna matter. I can might as well back it in here. It's the same difference. It's the same weight. Yeah, it's locked. Yeah. I'll just back it in. They're gonna know you're coming. It's not gonna be much difference. I mean, you have documentation to get it. You have insurance on it.
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Well, you can get. You're not gonna have a problem. You just pay him the same thing, same price.
Okay.
And I'll just.
So what do I need to bring?
You just need to make sure you bring your key, driver's license, and insurance that matches the VIN number and the name on the ID.
Okay, everything's.
Okay, that's fine. Well, you don't have no problem. I'll just pull it in and you'll be able to get it back.
All right.
That's fine. I'll put it in the gate and you just go in there. They're here.
No.
Hey, they're here. Yeah. Anyway, they were actually really nice people. You do run into nice people doing this, and you see a lot of a lot of the fake tow shows, and everybody acts like they're crazy. Not everybody's crazy. There is plenty of crazy people out here, but not everybody is stupid. You know what I mean? Not everybody is entitled. She knew they got stickered. She's gonna pay it. She's not mad about it. She just wants her car back. And there's a lot of people out here that are not wild like you think they are. You see it the different shows, all that fake stuff you see. It's not what reality is, but it does get crazy at times.